Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting 1 pound of firm cucumbers, trim the ends and slice them to 1/8 inch thickness for crisp texture. Place the slices in a bowl and sprinkle 1 tablespoon kosher salt evenly, tossing to coat. Let them rest 30 minutes so they release excess water and remain crunchy. After 30 minutes, rinse the cucumbers thoroughly under cold running water to remove excess salt, then gently pat them dry with a clean towel before you make the brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup white vinegar, 5% acidity, 1/2 cup water, and 1/2 cup granulated sugar and stir to dissolve dry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 cup chopped fresh dill for herbal aroma. You can also add a smashed garlic clove for depth. Warm the mixture over medium heat just until the sugar and salt dissolve. Then remove from heat and let the brine cool for 5. Pack the drained cucumber slices into a clean 1-quart jar or an airtight container, layering fresh dill or thin onion rings if desired, and pour the warm brine over them until all pieces are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and let it cool to room temperature briefly, then refrigerate. The salad will be ready to eat after 24 hours, but develops its best flavor after 48 hours. Keep the pickled cucumber salad refrigerated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.